heat capacity is the amount of energy that's required to raise the temperature of 1 mole of a substance by 1 degree Kelvin.
And welcome to Thermodynamic Cooking. Today we're going to cover how to explain heat capacity and how to make ice cream, not mutually exclusive. Our ingredients is going to be milk, vanilla, or whatever flavoring you want to use, and sugar. That's all it takes to make ice cream. Then we're just going to add some ice and salt together, which we're going to have some fellow students explain just exactly why that's important. And we'll go from there.
There are different specific heat values for different phases, and we use that to our advantage when we change the phase of the ice to water to draw energy away from the milk.
We already have our mixture. There's a lot of different recipes online for different portions. Put right here, we're going to put this into one bag, and what we're going to actually do is double seal these bags, because when we put them together with our ice and salt, we really do not want to get those two mixed together. Get it sealed down, get as much air out of it as you can. Alright, got our ice right here. Now you can change the percentage of salt to ice, and that's going to change the actual freezing temperature of the water by different varying degrees. We're actually using about a tablespoon of ice per cup, or excuse me, a tablespoon of salt per cup of ice for this experiment right here.
There are two ways heat capacity is calculated. One is a constant pressure and one is a constant volume heat capacity. Cp is defined as dH over dt at constant pressure. Cv is defined as Vu over dt at constant volume.
Specific heat capacities are only valid for ideal gases. If they're not an ideal gas, it'll be used in a departure function.
And then just go ahead and mix up that salt, ice, and their milk in there really well. Now you're just going to take usually around 5 minutes, 8 minutes for this to get nice and cold and freeze your milk inside here making your ice cream. You're going to want to handle it the entire time to make it go by the quickest. Get a good even distribution of the salt and ice. And after a while you may actually want to use some gloves. This will get below freezing and it can get pretty cold. And then after about 5 to 8 minutes, you're going to get something that's going to look about like this. Pull out your double-bagged ice cream here. And you are ready to go. That's good.